Mallory, this is OIS. This is OIS.
In 7 minutes, Michael. I'm not sure where these things are at.
Gotcha. Yeah, those. Yeah. Oh, right.
Before you do that, can you look at other fields? It sounds like there might be some kind of stale data issue going on with MCU, and we'd like to characterize it. Break Chase OIS. Turn starboard now to 180. Long starboard turn. Yeah, now you can keep reading stuff off. That doesn't seem right because there actually is throttle commanded. So can you take a bunch of photos of this, and then I'll be able to take notes from your photos. If you have your notes app, just add some notes there too that I can copy in.
Got it.
Copy. Bravo Papa 3-1. Bravo Papa 2-1.
Center for 3-1.
Hey, oncoming is trying to get a hold of you to let you know you're good.
That's a good copy. We'll be headed that way.
Ooh, yeah, sir.
Actually, you have timestamps on the photos, that's enough.
Down to the side or right here straight?
And then you restart NBCU, and then I'll just append it to mine. JSOIS. You see some scope coming out? Well, get ready to settle in. We're at 30 feet. We're going to 900. Was that for OS?
Hey, firm. Yeah, I was wondering, do you still have those contacts with, that have whales on them?
Wait, one.
Thanks, guys. Have a good night.
One large contact 1 mile off the port bow.
That would be the privateers. They are on whales at the moment. There's also a small contact, probably half that looks like they're also on whales.
Okay, Roger, I think I have the privateer. I don't believe I have that second contact at the half mile to his west. But I will keep a lookout. Roger, looks like my radar track just updated for privateer, and I do confirm eastbound course.
Harbor Control 1, this is Warship 6-5 on channel 1-2, over.
Warship 6-5, this is Harbor Control 1.
Harbor Control, this is Warship 6-5. I am approaching buoy 20, inbound to Naval Base San Diego. Request location on my ship where the tugs will make up for pilot embarkation, over.
Seas are coming from port, correct?
Warship 6-5, this is San Diego Control 1, say again?
Control 1, this is 5. I'm approaching Red Buoy, bound to San Diego. Request where on my ship the tug will make embarkation, over.
Warship 6-5, pilot aboard, just south of the bridge.
NBCU
Go
control,
aboard on the
this craft
forecastle
driving like this
on your
in track mode.
port side, over.
Embark south of the bridge on the forecastle port side. Warship 6-5 copies all, standing by on channel 1-3, out.
This craft in track mode, either my control or NBCU control, making significant turns like this while maintaining heading.
significant turns at all.
Coming 3-2, this is off going 2-2. Oncoming 3-2, this is off going 3-2.
Go for oncoming 3-2.
Guys, location.
Currently passing the bridge. Leader. We were just verifying you were on 88. They were saying they couldn't reach y'all on 81 from the shoreline.
Bravo Papa 3-2, this is oncoming 3-1. What's up, Kev? Hey, what's up? Hey, if you're trying to wait on someone, we're passing the fuel farm right now.
Ground 1-1, continue holding short runway 18, delays with departure.
Ground 1-1.
Question.
What's your location? I'll start making my way out then. Thank you, sir.
You have a good day.
You as well, sir.
That's USC.
Go ahead, Mallory.
You need to change direction. Head west.
Are you planning to go further south, or are you just staying in that area that you're in now?
Island Tower,
We can deviate to starboard.
Golf with you just south of OP Pier, request south around the point and then enter the bay to the Coronado Bridge.
Shouldn't be venturing much further west. I just wanted to make sure you weren't coming this way.
Helicopter on the west side of Point Loma. Can you say again? You were stuck on.
Heading, let's just go to 30.
We're just south of OB Pier and requesting southbound to the point. then in through the
Let you know if I end up needing to come any closer, but we should be going south at this point.
Helicopter 919 Hotel Golf. Make the bay, correction, report the southern tip point Loma, altimeter 3012. Copy altimeter, and we'll report the turn at Point Loma, helicopter 9 Hotel Golf. Navy H-60 calling Island Tower, unanswered, say again. Indian 614, pad 10, 13014, correction 310 at 14, clear to land.
Clear to land, pad 10, Indian 614.
And helicopter 919 Hotel Golf, confirm that's your correct call sign. Affirmative, it's 919 Hotel Golf. Roger.
West a little bit, okay?
Helicopter 919 Hotel Golf, can you say your intentions at the Coronado Bridge? Taxi transition with number. Roger. Helicopter 9er Hotel Golf, you can make your correction, report the southern tip Point Loma at 800. Report southern point of Point Loma at 800, helicopter 9er Hotel Golf.
Southeast wind is strong.
Seahawk 416, Island Tower, ident. Seahawk 416, item of
You're saying that currently you report 30% throttle DSD?
Crown 11, runway 18, wind 300 at 15, clear for takeoff, caution men and equipment, right side short field gear, change departure. Helicopter 919 Hotel Golf, keep your turn around the point tight, traffic departing runway 18, F-18. Turn tight, helicopter 9 Hotel Golf, and we'll look for traffic.
My guess is that should update because I'm watching RPM and it's bouncing around 100 RPM plus or minus, which over the span of 2,000 is like 5%.
Helicopter 9
Say
Hotel
more.
Golf, turning around the point, keeping it tight. Departing traffic in sight while maintaining visual separation. Roger.
Affirmative. What is frozen specifically? Can you get a video of each tab right now?
Just so you know, we did have this exact same issue 503 weeks ago.
Seahawk 416, pad 6131017.
Missed that, say again.
Said that we had this exact same issue about 3 to 4 weeks ago.
Short pad 3 for channel departure.
With DSD. And also MPC or just DSD?
28 Island Tower from pad 3.
Both, but they were both mismatching at the same time.
North on the channel.
Roger. Is MPCU currently showing stale or only
And
DSD?
we'll be on the lookout for that corporate helicopter traffic. Thanks for the help.
And did you say that you think the data was stale before you restarted MPCU? Roger that, would like to do that, so port turn heading 160 or 150. Good to know, thank you. Do you have video and pictures?
UB11, this is Warping Tug 01. Are you trying to hail us?
Here we have that data. If you see it again with FPCU, can you also get a video there? I don't think we have that yet.
James, just double checking. You took the dock phones, right?
I took the Cortez.
Yeah. I don't know where I hit the Cabrillo one then.
Car.
I'll just see starboard, starboard. Yeah, starboard, starboard works if that's okay with you.
Roger, starboard, starboard. Thank you.
Warship 65, Warship 65, this is Harbor Control 1. Control 1 copies, Beaver 4, open up. Accommodate for 1350. They are standing by at the bridge waiting for your arrival.
It's gonna make a starboard turn to 170.